Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and look at what just came in today. This is the brand new TCL QM6K 65-inch QD Mini LED TV. And huge thanks and shout out to TCL for actually sending this out for us to take a look at here on the channel. Now, I actually had the opportunity to check this TV out back in January at CES, and I thought it looked absolutely amazing. And today we actually get to check it out here in-house. This is just going to be a quick unboxing and a first impressions, but I gotta say, for being the base model of the Q series, because you know, you got the Q6, Q7, and QM8. For being the base model of the Q series, TCL has actually packed a lot into this TV. So like I mentioned, this is a QD Mini LED TV up to LD 500 precise dimming series. It's got a gaming accelerator, 288 Hertz, high HDR brightness. You're getting up to a 144 Hertz native refresh rate. Got the AIPQ Pro processor, HVA panel. It's got a motion rate 480 with MEMC, Onkyo 2.1 speaker system, and I believe this comes with a built-in subwoofer as well, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, we'll see when we get this unboxed, but it also supports Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos as well. And then of course, this is a Google TV, so you will be able to, you know, download all of your favorite Google apps from the Play Store. But I am tired of waiting. I am ready to get this unboxed, so let's do it. See, I told you that was gonna be a quick unboxing, but before we go ahead and power this TV on, first let me show you this big mess I got all over the place. No, I'm just kidding, we'll get to that later, but I wanna take a quick look at the back of the TV here. So it looks like we do get built-in subwoofers here in the back, Onkyo Ultra bass. So really curious to see what the sound is going to be like here on the QM6K. But taking a look over here to the left side or the right side, if you are looking from the front, we have all of our ports. So we got a USB 3.0, USB 2.0, we got an Ethernet input. We also got 4 HDMI inputs, 2 at 4K 144 Hertz and 2 at 4K 60 Hertz. And then one of those is also an EARC. So if you want to hook up a soundbar, you can do that as well. And then we have a cable antenna input and then an audio out. And then of course, over here to the other side, we do have our input for the power adapter. But as far as just the overall looks go of the back of this TV right here, it actually has a really nice look to it. But nobody's gonna be looking at the back. Let's go and flip it around and power it on. All right, so I am all set up, signed in, and ready to go as you can see here. Now the whole setup process took around, I would say around 15 minutes to sign into everything, set everything up. It did come with an update out of the box, so I did have to wait for that update to go ahead and finish. Now, I'm not gonna dive too deep into the TV. I'll save that for my full review, but kind of just want to give you guys my first impressions and just take a quick look at the TV right here. Overall, beautiful looking TV. I did notice that the legs are of a metal build, not a plastic build. I know usually with the Q6, they come with the plastic legs, if I'm not mistaken. But this year, we got a little bit of an upgrade and got those metal legs. So of course, more durability there. The display itself looks absolutely beautiful. I was kind of just scrolling through the UI here just to see the smoothness of it, the responsiveness of using the remote with this TV. And it's smooth. I'm not experiencing any lag or anything. Of course, this is a brand new TV, so I would expect it not to have any lag or latency or anything like that. Of course, this is a Google TV, so we're getting this Google UI. We have our For You page, our live TV page. So if you're someone who likes to watch the free live TV that comes with it, hey, they got you covered right here. We also got the apps page, got your library, your TCL page, your search bar page, and then your little settings page as well, where you can, you know, mess with your screensaver, your inputs, picture, Ethernet. As you can see, this is for Ethernet and Wi-Fi. I'm currently connected to Ethernet because my Wi-Fi is not the best in this office right here. So I wanted to get a good connection for this TV right here. So I went ahead and hooked up the Ethernet. It's been working great. Internet's great. Accessibility, Bluetooth. And then down here is usually where you will have your notifications if you do have any. But now what I want to do is go ahead. Let's go ahead and jump into YouTube. Let's take a quick look at some video and see what video quality is like on this TV. So just taking a quick look at some 4K video here on the QM6K. And wow, I mean, this looks amazing. I'm not even trying to over exaggerate here. For this being the base model of the Q series, I gotta say, I'm actually very, very impressed with how good this looks. I mean, look at the detail in the little cat right there. I mean, just the overall clarity, the quality of video looks great on here. And I haven't even messed with the picture settings yet. So let's go into the picture settings. So it's currently on standard mode. We also have a sports mode, filmmaker mode, movie mode, an IMAX mode, and an intelligent mode, and a vivid mode. Now, me personally, I'm someone who usually likes to use vivid or intelligent, sometimes the IMAX, but I mean, look at the way the colors just pop on this TV. Nice, vibrant colors. Look at the detail. Everything is looking really, really good. Let's check something else out. So just taking a look at some more 4K video here. I mean, look at how beautiful that looks. I really love the way the colors are looking right now and the detail in this video right here. Now, I believe this TV is currently going for around $800 on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. So if you do find yourself interested, you want to pick one up for yourself, if you're loving this video quality right here, I'll leave a link down in the description below and possibly even the pinned comment. Now, I just want to take a quick look at the viewing angles here. So I am far off to the left, and honestly, it actually still looks really good. I mean, yeah, the colors aren't as vibrant as from when you're sitting in the middle, and of course the quality isn't going to look as sharp as when you are sitting directly center of the TV. But I mean, even, you know, sitting off to the side like this, actually it looks really, really good. Now, of course, this is just based off of my first impressions with this TV right here. Of course, I'm going to continue using it, you know, when watching movies, playing games and stuff, to see what I actually think about it over time. All right, so I want to do a quick sound test just to see what sound is like on this TV right here. Let's check it out. Okay, I can hear those subwoofers working for sure. Okay, movie mode is a lot louder. Oh man, here is huge. A little bit windy up here, not sure if you can hear me well. Let's fast forward a little bit. Okay, now so far, just based off of my first impressions, I can already tell that this is going to be a great TV for the price. Like I said, it's going to be around 800 bucks. I believe it's around 800 bucks right now at the time of making this video for the 65-inch model right here. Then of course they have their different sizes from 55 inches all the way up to 85 inches. Now, when it came to just that little sound test that we just quickly did right now, I would say the sound actually sounds pretty good. It's not the best sounding TV I've ever heard. It's not the best, you know, feeling or sounding subwoofers that are built into the TV that I have ever heard. They do have a nice punch to them, but they don't have that really, I don't know. I'm gonna have to test them out some more, but just based off of my first impressions, the subwoofers are more of like a punchy feel rather than more of a low growl feel, if you know what I don't really know how to explain it, but like I said, I will continue testing out the TV, and I'll definitely do a lot of gaming tests as well. I might have a separate gaming video coming for this TV right here just to show what the whole gaming experience is like as well. When it comes to the remote right here, this is a backlit remote, and I don't believe we had that on the last Q6. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments below. But yes, the buttons here on the remote are also backlit as well. So overall, I mean, the QM6K right here seems like a very, very promising TV for the price. Like I said, around 800 bucks for the 65-inch right here. If you do find yourself interested, I have a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. But if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I have coming with this TV right here, because you are not going to want to miss out. But thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.